You pay health insurance premiums every single month. For years, you do everything right. Then one day, something goes wrong. An accident, a surgery, an emergency. You file a claim, and the insurance company says, no, not partially approved, not we need more info, just denied. Today, we're exposing why health insurance claims get denied, and more importantly, how to fight back and win. Because most denials aren't accidents. They're part of the system. Here's the uncomfortable truth no insurer advertises. Health insurance companies make money by not paying claims. Yes, they collect premiums. Yes, they invest that money. But every approved claim is a cost to them. So the system is designed to delay, confuse, exhaust, and quietly push you to give up. Most people do, and insurers know it. Let's break down the real reasons claims get denied, starting with the most common. Reason number 1, pre-existing condition traps. This is the classic excuse. You submit a claim, and suddenly the insurer says, this condition existed before the policy started. Here's the trick. Even vague symptoms in old medical records can be used. A past doctor visit, a casual note, even a blood test years ago. They'll connect dots you didn't even know existed. And once they label it pre-existing, the burden shifts to you to prove otherwise. How to fight back? Request the exact medical records they used. Ask for written justification. Get a doctor's statement clearly stating onset date. Appeal in writing, not on calls. Paper trails scare insurers. Calls don't. Reason number 2, waiting period fine print. Most policies come with waiting periods for surgeries, for maternity, for specific illnesses. But insurers often misinterpret their own rules. They'll count dates incorrectly, ignore policy upgrades, apply old terms instead of new ones. How to fight back? Pull the exact policy wording, not summaries. Highlight the waiting period clause. Attach proof of policy start and upgrades. Escalate to grievance, not customer care. Customer care delays. Grievance departments document. Reason number 3, non-disclosure accusations. This one is brutal. They claim you didn't disclose full health information. Even if you weren't diagnosed, you didn't know, you answered honestly. They'll argue you should have known. This is one of the most abused denial tactics. How to fight back? Demand proof of intentional non-disclosure. Ask how a normal person could have known. Use your proposal form as evidence. If needed, escalate legally. This is where insurers often settle. They hate cases that question intent. Reason number 4, hospital billing games. Sometimes your claim is denied not because of you, but because of the hospital. Common issues: incorrect codes, missing documents, non-standard billing formats, charges not aligned with policy wording. Insurers won't fix this for you. They'll just deny. How to fight back? Ask the insurer for the exact discrepancy. Go back to the hospital billing desk. Get corrected invoices and resubmit. Do not accept system error as an answer. Systems can be corrected. Excuses can't. Reason number 5, cashless isn't guaranteed. Many people believe if the hospital is cashless, I'm safe. Wrong. Cashless requests can be partially approved, delayed, rejected mid-treatment. Reasons include procedure classification disputes, room rent limits, doctor fee caps. How to fight back? Ask for written pre-authorization details. Confirm room limits before admission. Keep every approval message. Convert rejected cashless claims into reimbursement claims. Cashless failing doesn't mean the claim is dead. Why most people lose their claims. Here's why insurers usually win. People are sick, emotionally drained, financially stressed, and unfamiliar with policy language. So they accept verbal denials, miss appeal deadlines, don't escalate properly, give up too early. Insurance companies count on exhaustion. Your strongest weapon is persistence. The step-by-step way to fight back. If your claim gets denied, do this calmly, systematically. Get the denial in writing. Ask for policy clause reference. File a formal appeal. Escalate to grievance cell. Approach insurance ombudsman if needed. Most claims magically reconsider before step 5. Not because you were wrong, but because you didn't quit. A mental shift that changes everything. Stop seeing insurance as protection. Start seeing it as a contractual negotiation. They will push boundaries. So should you. If they can interpret clauses aggressively, so can you. Fairness is not automatic. It's enforced.
The real power move: health insurance isn't broken. It's optimized for the insurer, not for you. But once you understand their incentives, their tactics, their pressure points, the power balance shifts. If this helped you think differently about insurance, subscribe, because money systems only work when people stay uninformed. And now, you're not.